Good morning, fourth and fifth grade. Mr. Ruby here. I'm just going to talk real quick about our Phys Ed assignment for the week. So what we're going to do this week, I'm right here on Google Classroom, is we are going to do what I'm calling the fourth and fifth grade skill choice. Okay, so I'm going to open it up here real quick. For this skill choice, what you're going to do is you're going to pick one of three different skills to work on. All right. Now it's important that you take your time and you make sure that you know exactly which one of these three skills that you want to do, because what you're going to be doing over the next 4 weeks is you're going to be sending me videos of you performing this skill until Christmas break. Okay, so here's what's going to happen here. You can either pick throwing, you can either pick kicking, or you can either pick striking. Okay, now the important thing that you need to remember for these skills is no matter which one you pick, it's the skill you're going to be stuck with and you're going to keep working on. And I also need you to perform and record you doing the skill from the side. So I don't want to be seeing you with the camera with it straight on. I want to be seeing your view from the side. And the reason why I want to do this is because I'm creating a rubric, and that rubric is basically going to be looking for certain things, and it's easiest for me to see those parts of the skill that you're performing from the side. Okay, so you're going to do that 5 times. You're just going to do that skill in a row 5 times. Now, it's a little colder this week. I do know that, so maybe try to wait until the warmer part of the day to do this stuff. If you can, it would be better to do this stuff outside than doing it inside. I'm sure your parents would appreciate it if you weren't trying to kick a ball in the house or trying to strike in the house. Okay, so if you do pick striking, remember, is usually done with a bat. So, if you've got a tee or something like that and a net or a wall or something like that, like outside, that it's okay for you to hit against, or you have some real soft like foam balls or something that aren't going to hurt, that would be a great opportunity maybe to do some striking. Kicking, if you've got a soccer net or the same thing, you've kind of got a soft ball that you can just kick against an area of your house or your garage or a shed or a barn or something that's not going to get hurt, you might want to do that as well. And like I said, with throwing can usually be done inside or outside. You could even take a rolled up thing of socks, and you could perform that skill like throwing it into a couch. Just make sure that you're not doing anything that's going to be destructive. Okay. Once you're done with that video, I would like you to submit it to me over my email. My email is down here at the bottom of the page. Okay. So you can shoot that video and just hit share real quick, or there's a way to really easily share videos. I'm sure you can figure that out and your parents can figure that out. And you're going to just send that to my email. If you are a person that feels so inclined, I do have a tutorial link down here at the bottom that should give you some hints actually how to submit a video that you do over Google Classroom. So if you want to try to give that a shot, it'll make it easier for me to give you commentary and feedback if you do that. If not, no big deal. Just send it to my email. And what I'll do is I'll create a video very similar to what you're seeing right now. And I'll be watching your video and I'll be giving you feedback on what I'm seeing just from watching it and looking at my rubric. So good luck with this. Like I said, get it submitted to me. I'll give you feedback. I'll submit it back to you. I want you to watch the video that I send back to you, and take the feedback that I'm giving you. And then next week when you do this assignment again and you record again, try to take the recommendations that I've made and see if you can go ahead and make it even better with your form. Okay? Good luck. I'm looking forward to seeing your guys' videos, and I will send out another video next week. Have a great week, guys.